How to turn on and off ring flashlight on Snapchat app. Make sure your mobile data is turned on. Then open your Snapchat application. So the method is very simple, you just have to update your application. And watch this video carefully. So let's start tutorial video. You will see such a lightning symbol, you have to click once and the flashlight will turn on. Now you have to click on this symbol for few seconds. And click on ring and your ring light will turn on. You can also change the color of the ring light from here. And push this button a little further to increase the color light. How to turn off the flashlight? To turn off the flashlight, you simply tap this icon once and the flashlight will turn off.